It's going. It's going. Thank you. What did you say to him? I thought you were mad.
I'll tell you in a sec. Look what time it is. Hold on. I thought that's what you said.
13.
13. I think you said 3. That's why I was bombing.
Fucking dingus. Whoa, this is... What?
I don't know if you noticed, I was kind of hauling.
Yeah. I was gonna lift at 350, but the weird. It's either you go 330 or 4.
Oh, I see. You tell you what trail that we come back on?
No. Probably something like
Oh,
this.
this.
That one we have to traverse a bit. I think if we go like up here.
Oh, okay. Stay high. Oh, yeah.
That'll actually take us like this. Actually, wait. If we go like this, and then here, down here, and then take this green, the Bass, but we just need to end up on Bass Highway. And then that'll get us like to the base of Peruvian.
Yeah, it's gonna have to come this way.
Yeah.
This way. What do I need to take? It's one of
Just
these
get
guys.
down to Bass Highway. So like
Which-
do upper, whatever the fuck that trail says.
Okay.
Down, cross under Gadzoom and Mid Gad, upper Big Emma, and then Flippy Bunny to Harper's Ferry east to Bass Highway. That's what we need to do.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Yeah, crazy down.
Up and down.
Oh my god, and then it gets really steep. This thing's hauling ass too.
I know.
Oh yeah, and at the top it shoots you off. Oh, there's a little cloud.
Yep.
And those lads. This thing's hauling ass. Yep. Let's go. Can I film at the top here for a little bit? Alright, thank you. Woohoo! I'm trying to think, where can I go to film? I'm gonna go down here.